In this video, we will see all the kitchen-based natural pesticides that you can use to remove or prevent pests from your plants. We will also see their proper and effective way of use, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most effective natural pesticide is using garlic. You can make a spray from garlic. We all know garlic contains an intense smell and pests hate this smell, so they go away from garlic scent. Garlic also contains compounds that disrupts the breeding cycle of pests. The simplest way to use garlic spray is to chop off the garlic cloves around 3 to 4 and put them in a liter of water. Let it ferment for 1 to 2 days. Then spray this liquid all over your plants thoroughly. It's that easy. Another natural pesticide is the onion. Just like garlic, it also contains a smell that is unliked by several pests like aphids, mealybugs, spider mites, etc. So simply make a spray just like garlic spray. Chop off a small onion and put it in a liter of water. Let it ferment for 1 to 2 days. Now use this liquid as a spray. Use it all over the plant every week as a prevention. Best time to spray would be early morning or evening. Another very useful natural pesticide is the chili powder spray. Chili pepper's spicy taste is also unliked by the pest. You can use a teaspoon of chili powder in a liter of water with a few drops of liquid soap. Mix well, apply all over the plant. Another useful pest repellent is the baking soda. Especially for soft body insects like aphids and mites, baking soda is very useful. It suffocates them when they come in contact with. You can also mix it with the liquid soap to make it even a better solution and use it for your plants. Another useful pesticide is the liquid dish soap. Its soapy nature makes a layer on the leaf that traps the eggs and young insects and suffocate them. So it's a very useful thing. We use it very commonly with neem oil. To make a liquid soap spray, add a tablespoon of liquid soap in a liter of water, mix very well and apply all over the plant at the evening time. Another kitchen-based organic pesticide is for rainy season. Pests like snails and slugs also harm our plants, especially in moist seasons. So to remove them, all you need is a pinch of salt. You can sprinkle it over the snails and slugs. Make sure not to add too much on the soil, otherwise the soil can turn salty. You can also use coffee grounds to spread over the soil. This also repels the slugs. Caffeine compound of coffee disrupts the nervous system of some pests, make them go away. Its texture is also a barrier for crawling insects like snails and slugs. Another thing you can use is the lemon peels powder or even fresh peels. Specifically, they repel ants. You can sprinkle the powder or the peels over the soil. Its citrus smell will make all the ants to go away. Now let's try to make an all-in-one pesticide for our plants using kitchen-based ingredients. First you need is some garlic and onion. Chop them off and using a cloth extract their liquid. Mix it with 1 liter of water. Add some liquid soap and baking soda in this and mix very well. Now our homemade pesticide is ready to use on plants. You can spray it all over the plant at the evening time. Use on healthy plants once a week and for infected plant every 2 to 3 days. This pesticide can be used for all kind of fruiting and flowering plants, vegetables, houseplants and seedlings too. The garlic and onion smell will keep the pests and insects away. On an infected plant, this pesticide may not work well. A smaller pest attack can be cured, but not a heavy pest attack. Every pest acts differently. Their treatment differs also. I have made several videos on step-by-step treatment of common pests. They are added in the description box playlist. Now the question is, does this pesticide spray works better than neem oil? So neem oil is a concentrated form that works much better than this homemade pesticide spray. But for prevention, this liquid pesticide is super useful. Yes, you can use it at the early stage of a pest attack, but not for a serious attack of pest. Here is a detailed video on neem oil pesticide. Feel free to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.